2008 Toyota Tundra. What we're going to do here is the headlight assembly. As you can see how nasty they look. Those originals. These are 2008, so we're at 2023. Ending of 2023, so November 2023. And those look nasty. So I'm going to put some new ones on, aftermarket. And I just going to show you the easy procedure, very easy procedure to do this. Alright, so let's get this show on the road. First thing I'm going to do here, get my magnetic plate. So we have two 10mm bolts here. So the first two things we're going to grab. Knock that You can also use a Phillips screwdriver. You gotta get a big one, get it in there. Alright. So now we're gonna grab these two plastic tabs. Just be gentle with this. People destroy these. All you gotta do with this one right here. Sometimes they get, this been there forever, so they get brittle. It's easy to break. I just get them loose enough that I can get this in between, and hopefully I don't break it off. That one came off easy. Alright, so that's one. Same thing with the other one. Just take your time with it. Don't force it. Especially if she's an old truck like mine. That's two. Alright. Here. That's it. There we go. Alright. So, see, it has those two stands. Just be gentle, work your way down. If you have this tool, the best one, that way you don't scratch, paint. Even though my truck is dirty. Okay, but anyway, that's how you take those out, right? So that's it. Just one cover. Let me get it out the way. That much. Shut the fuck up. Alright, so we have another 10 mil right here. Let's see if I could. Alright, let's get that 10 out the way. Go the same size, hopefully. Oh, it's actually this one is a different bolt, so you know that's the one on the side. That's the air box. Alright, so it looks like everything is loose. I don't see nothing else holding her. Well, that should be it. Here, let me work her out. Lift up this tab right here. Holding. This tab. See, there's any other tabs. Like I'm being held from the bottom. Oh, it's also a tab. Okay. And that's it. Beautiful. Alright. So now, I'm going to get a different angle. Alright. Now we're going to get the bulbs out. Let's take out the whole bulbs. These are real simple. I'm going to twist them towards me, which is, what's that? Counterclockwise. Pull them out. Counter. Pull it out. Counter. Pull it out. I dropped something. I don't know what it was. Dropped another of those clips. Oh, and we have one more in the bottom. Counter. And pull it out. Okay? And that's it. Very simple. There you go. You gotta work it. Definitely gotta work it, man. That's that. Beautiful. Come on, baby. Beautiful. Sorry if I had my face all over this thing, but and that's that. Alright. Shit, that was the hardest part, wasn't it? Getting these bad boys. Alright. Any bad boys? No, I should clean all that up. No biggie. Alright, so once you got her in there, nice and flush, real simple. I like to start with this part. We'll put that one in. You have to line up first. Oh, wrong way. That's one. That's two. That's three. Alright. So we got that. Now we're going to put the cover back on. Yeah, you think I will clean it first, right? Not me. Sorry. Alright, so these two holes, make sure you get that in there nice and flush. You push it in on it. That's the hard part of it. Get in there. See if I could. There you go. Once you hear a snap like that, turn it over. Let's make it work, baby. That's it. I confirm. Put another one on there. You're good to go. Retract it. Okay. Take it off here. Squeeze it in. It's in there. I just want it nice and firm. You just gotta work. Alright. Nice and flush. Nah, that ain't gonna work. Maybe it will. Alright. That's all I care. Let's stay on. And that's that. Okay? So, that's it for that. Real pretty. Beautiful work. That's how you look. Now we gotta hit the other side. But it's the same thing you did on this side. And that is it. That's how easy it is to change a headlight assembly for a 2008. Probably anywhere in Toyotas, it could be anything from 2000, I don't know, 7 to 2013, 14, probably all the same thing. Anyway, this is it for this video. How to change headlight assembly in a Toyota Tundra, 2008 Toyota Tundra. Take care.